Okay, so I'm just gonna photo up on my phone that I also have on my iPad, and I just need to find it because we are actually doing a little bit of a conversion. Because, like, why not? Because so I actually have a picture of Terapagos on my iPad right here. Now this time we actually need to make it the size of it first, and like I'm gonna actually do like the full. There. So now I have the photo up, and you're gonna see me transform lovely Terapagos to shiny. So it has like a really light blue. This color would probably look right. So yes, this color would be right. So we go change out the purple for this color. Here we go. All those gems look so similar to the color. I might have to go over them with a darker one to just make it look good. What was the... Oh my god, I forgot that was on. Okay, we need to make it smaller. Here we are. I'm just going to go over parts that would be easy to do, and then we're going to go over in like small colors to get like some of, so we don't like accidentally go over any pieces like around the eye and nose and also the mouth. Oh my god. At the moment, Terapagos looks, how to say, because it looks half shiny, and I've only done the face, and it looks ridiculous. Yeah, we definitely need to go over those little gems. Oh, you got a little paw there. You got a little paw there, little one. Oh, that's a bit big. I see that is like so cute. So now, that's one of the little paws done. A little bit here. Not much about Terapagos actually changes. So let's finish off their face so that way it doesn't look stupid when I zoom out. Hopefully. I mean, like, it's half shiny. But you're gonna expect it's gonna look stupid because it is half shiny. Okay. We're actually gonna do this in the normal one. just got to be really careful over these pink parts because I'm going to need those for like later. So last night I watched the Descendants Wicked Wonderland movie and it was awesome. It's on Disney Plus on the Disney Channel. I'm like, does it look better? Does it? I don't think so. Right, so there's one thing we are going to do, and that is outline. So before we can even move on to this, like, we gotta do outline. Because because obviously I need to make distinguish them. So now we gotta do a bit of outline. At least this way now we can actually distinguish the gems. We're just gonna do around the parts I've done. For now, we're obviously gonna have to redo the outline multiple times, but I'm a-okay with that. I'm also gonna have to because I need to draw the entire thing, I will also have to be going over the gems. So yeah. But that's fine because I need to make them darker. Here we are. Like your foot literally goes off the screen. It looks like cute at the moment, I guess. My favourite song from the Descendants Wicked Wonderland movie would be Heartless. Also, like, some of the songs are literally like low-key copied from other Descendants movies, but specifically the third one. And also one of them literally sounds like a full-on competition from like the Zombies movie, the first one. I mean, like, Heartless is actually like a weaker Queen of Mean. To be honest, yeah. And Dancing with the Enemy is like a weaker Night Falls. Okay, I think my favorite part would probably be what part would that be? Probably Chloe turning, like, how do I say this? Evil? I mean, like, when I said that, like, Heartless would be a weaker Queen of Mean, and Queen of Mean is like an AK to a VK. It's kind of similar, except instead of AK, it's a HK, Hero Kid, to a VK, Villain Kid, and AK is an all-on Kid. But I'm nearly finished with the body. I just need to finish up outline. There we go. We're just gonna. We will go on to the gems last because I really need to get the full-on shiny look with the normal one before. Now we're gonna work on the eyes. So we're gonna need a yellow, yeah. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna go on those pink parts there. And then we're gonna need a pink. Yeah, that's a perfect pink. And the bottom part is purple, is it? Yeah, perfect shade. And we're going to use a little tool. We're going to blur. We're going to use a blur to get really captivate his eyes. So, yeah, to get like a... Even though it doesn't really show that up, I still choose to do it. We're also going to do the eyes. Oh, that was my phone. I was like wondering, what was that vibrating? And I realized, oh, it's my phone because it's on 15%. Okay. I'm going to do like a darker shade for like all of these. I'm also going to try and get this more like a star shape with... Right, and now we need to do outline for this. Also, we can also get part of the eye done. I know that the dark purple, but I like a dark purple, but it's actually shiny. It actually changes it to black. I will also be going over this because yeah, we're going over that star. Why does it just look left, right, level? And we go a bit purple, and now we need to redo that blend. And now time to do it, I guess. We're gonna really zoom in, and we're really gonna use a small one for this. Let's see. Okay. Also, I noticed that Terapagos actually had like a little tiny mark right here, so we're gonna add that back again because it's like its little mini eyebrow. Also, I forgot that I needed to do I need to finish the outline for the eye. How does it look so far? Oh my god! Oh my god, it looks crazy. But yeah, you can tell the difference. Also, we're gonna add a dark one for the little details in gems, because you can't forget the details. Details are like the most important part. So we're gonna like upgrade this pen size just a bit because it's like handy. Also, I'm gonna, like, before I post this, I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna post them at the same time and see which one actually comes out first. So will it be this one or will it be... So I'm gonna actually find a picture of a different Pokemon online, and I'm gonna use the Terapagos and basically use its colors to turn it into like a copy of the one. Right, so now we've got a bit of a blend work to do here, because as you can see, we need... Oh, that needs to be lighter. Perfect. So we're gonna do this spot yellow. So we need to just get that spot done. Obviously we need to blend before we add those details. So now we need to add like a light green. Oh, I found the perfect shade. So now we're gonna put that here do, we're actually going to go over these because I remember they're there. And we need to use the light green to finish off the details here. Also making sure it goes over like, and also got like a line, like this shade here. So there's like a mix of colors. That's what makes Terapagos so amazing. But then I also noticed that there's a bit of like, yeah, that's shine. This shine of blue here, so we need to put that in. Except, not, that's a bit too sharp. We need to blend, because we need to blend them together. We need to like really get the blend. And now we're gonna add those little cute details before we add the outline to this part. Oh, I forgot what part of the face. I forgot I need to do the mouth once I go finish this. Outline. What is that? I like doing drawing. It is like a passionate hobby of mine. Though I really don't like showing them if I'm drawing them in a notebook before I'm actually finished. But like if you see me drawing something, it's best to just like leave me alone from drawing. And once you notice I'm done, you could really ask if you want to see, and I'll probably say yes. Probably though. It isn't a definite yes. But we're gonna do pink. And then we're gonna go in with this shade. That shade is perfect. And then we need to outline the mouth. And then we're gonna go in with a light, which is also the separate them. So I'm also gonna outline the nose. So cute right now. Now all the stuff that like basic and the rest of the gems. So this one actually looks like. Well, yeah, that's a cyan color. Yeah, this is cyan in the shiny. Also, I need to find a picture of Ogapon. Because Ogapon would be perfect because they're like from the same DLC. Like they're no really perfect. It's not too big and it's not too small. So we can get this quicker. Also, when I do like full coloring, it's like it takes a while. We gotta just do this outline first before we go in. Once I'm done, I'm gonna see what colors actually come out. But I'm also gonna like, but I also know exactly what I'm gonna do because I want to add like a bottom layer with my own background. Instead of this one, which I got from an app that I had. Because I cannot access the internet on my iPad for some reason. Strange. I know. Okay, so now we with this. We're gonna make this just one bit bigger. So we can last one. Not last one because we got that one up there to do. Forgot about that one. There we go. Now we need to do this one. Why did I just start humming a random tune? I don't know. For me. they want to look really cute. I just need to finish up your gems and then to be done. So yeah. But I said to go in with the dark one. Oh my god. So dark one for the detail. Can't forget about your detail. I just realized that this also had some details. We're going to just add those. Perfect. And now we just have to do one upwards. Well, how does this not have an outline? Yeah, I should have already gave it. I did that a while ago. Right. So now we got this detail to do. Wait, did I even do this one? No, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Oh my god. Me and my brain. That would be my thing. I have on vibrate. It's like a zigzag. Don't know why I said a zigzag. But oh well, I'm not changing it. I'm not bothered. Oh yeah, that's the other side. Like Terapagos said she has like some cute little gem earrings that I really adore. And the reason why I call them that is because they look because they're gem shape. Like gem shape. Now it's time for up here. Oop, too dark. Right. So now we're gonna do it up to here. We're not gonna add the detail yet because we need to blend up here. Now I need a lavender color, so a bit dark. See what this shade would do. Right. Take it for me to get my mini blender and blend. Because these two are actually like blended together. But we also need to fix a bit. But now we're gonna outline. At least I know where the middle is. One sec, I just realized something difficult. We cover those up. Oh, see, one sec. Right, so now what I'm gonna do is move this up, and then we're gonna use, so we're actually gonna hide this layer and this layer, so I can draw on this one my impersonal, but now we are gonna do a full-on blend, so we're gonna need this one. We're gonna do like a rainbow because it's the Terra Pokemon. And we're including like every colour. I'm looking at every shade, just the base of it, because there are like multiple types. And some with similar colours. So it's just easier for the Terra Pokemon. Oh yeah, I forgot that. I don't even need my phone right now. Yeah. Ooh. One sec. What do we need to? I think one. I have like two. One, two. One, two. But one line would do because there were 18 types. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14.
Tremaine,
Yeah.
we can go in the pool after midday.
After midday, go.
Just to let the poison die down. Dad put it in yesterday, remember?
Okay, 1. Yeah. Need to do that. 2. Wait, this would be good enough. So now we're gonna drag them down. And then up. And then we're gonna blur it. Why that happened? Oh. Right. So now we're gonna zoom in. Here. Right, so this is the original. So we're gonna go here. Right. So, there. Just revealing it dot by dot. So how do you think it came out? Let me know in the comments if you can. Well, I have a TikTok. I'll put that in the bio and you can tell me there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.